Whew. That's for me in Tennessee. Dang, that worked out perfect. I come over here 2 or 3 days ago. Wind was blowing really hard, and I thought I heard a turkey gobble one time over here. This morning it's cold. It's 34 degrees when I got here. No wind. I mean, perfectly calm. A bird gobbled over to my right, up on the hill across the fence. And when he flew down, he flew into the bottom over here and landed where I thought I heard a turkey gobble. The hen was still over here yelping at me. I got her fired up on the limb using the old trusty Turpin box call. And then she flew out, and there was a Jake with him. They landed probably 300 yards down the bottom of the hill. He wasn't budging. The smoke phase hen went down there to him, and I called to her a little bit and cut. And when I did, she yelped, answered me back, and here they come up the hill. That's pretty cool. So I'm gonna go out here and see what I got and get on to work.